Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I think you are doing well, right? I hope you are really good today. As you know that today you have an online class with me, and I give you this video about today's lesson. You just need to pay attention and listen to what I explain in this video. Prepare your notes, then give me a conclusion after the day's meeting ends. Make sure to fill in online attendance so I can find out who is attending the meeting today. Okay, today we will learn about descriptive text. Have you ever heard about descriptive text? Have you ever tried to describe someone or something? Maybe you are confused how to describe it. What tense do we use in describe? And maybe what is descriptive text itself, right? Some of the most famous authors, especially fiction writers, have good skill in writing of descriptive text, so that their writing is very readable and easy to understand. Therefore, if we were able to master this lesson well, we might be able to become a great writer in the future. Okay, I will tell you what is descriptive text. What is the definition of descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Descriptive text is meaningful text that describes the experience related to the sense, such as what shape, sound, taste is. Most descriptive text is about visual experience, but in fact experience other than the sense of sight. We can also use it to make descriptive text. So, it can be said that descriptive text is a text that explains about whether a person or an object is like, whether its form, its properties, its amount, and others. Descriptive text also gives signs and characteristics or distinguish between one object with another. Do you know what is the purpose of descriptive text? The purpose of the descriptive text is clear. That is to describe, represent, or reveal a person or an object, either abstract or concrete. Next, there are a generic structure of descriptive text. When writing descriptive text, there are some generic structures for our writing to be true. The arrangement is first, identification. Identification is in the first paragraph. The purpose is to identify an object that you want to describe. The function is to introduce to the reader about the object that we are going to explain before we tell about the object in more detail in the next paragraph. Second, description. Description contains a description of something such as animal, things, place, or a person by describing its features, forms, colors, or anything related to what the writer described. Third, conclusion or optional. Next, language feature of descriptive text. There are some language features that used in descriptive text. First, specific participant has a certain object is not common and unique. For example, my house, Borobudur Temple, Uncle John, and etc. Second, the use of the adjective to clarify the noun, because the function of this text is to provide information by describing an object described. Then in descriptive text, many adjectives will be found. For example, big, small, tall, short, colorful, a beautiful sky, a handsome man, a pretty girl, and so on. Next, the use of simple present tense. Because we will describe the fact attached to an object, and one of the functions of simple present tense itself is to show a fact or truth. Suppose you want to describe your dress, you can use the sentence, "The color of my dress is blue." Next, using a relating verb. Relating verb is a verb that gives an explanation to the noun that is the subject of a sentence. For example, is, have, seem, appear, and other verbs. Action verb, that is verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, cut, and etc. Okay, maybe that's all I can explain. Next week, try to describe something like people, place, animals, or whatever you want. Make it as attractive as possible you can, and give me the results. And don't forget to make the conclusion from I have explained today. And please ask via group chat if there is anything that is not understood. Okay, that's all for now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.